What's up YouTube? My name's Quickie, welcome back to the channel. You're not in the workshop today, we're at home with Jake. Say hello, Jake.
Hello everybody.
Cool. Basically it's a real quick one this, but a couple of weeks ago we passed the 5,000 subscriber mark, which is mega, really good. And we haven't got much to give away, but I can dish out a t-shirt. So we've got 3 different designs. There's a link down in the description, so whoever wins this, go check out the links and decide which one you want. But we had all sorts of people chipping in comments and stuff on both Facebook and YouTube, and I had a couple of messages. So basically everybody's name has gone in the hat. This is Jake's hat. So all you've got to do is pick one out. So close your eyes properly. All right, have a rummage. And just pick out just one.
Rummage.
Who is it?
Alright. The winner of the hat.
No, the winner of the t-shirt. Just give me the name.
Oh, the winner of the t-shirt is Steve Banks from Facebook.
Steve Banks. Steve Banks from Facebook. Well done, Steve. You just got yourself a t-shirt, matey. Like I say, if you want to have a look down into... I should probably show you this, shouldn't I? Steve Banks. Can you see that? It does say Steve Banks, honest. Have a look down in the description, matey. There's a link to the Teespring store. Go and have a look at the colours, and I think it's got a sizing thing on there as well, so you can pick out your size. And if you give us a shout, I'll get one on its way to you, not a problem. Thank you to everybody who tipped in. It was really cool. The comments were brilliant. Really enjoyed watching, going through and having a look at them. That was sweet. And we'll do something like this again. Yeah, more of that stuff to come. As far as what else is going on, I've been spending an awful lot of time at the workshop because he's been doing this. An autistic kid with a drum kit who's obsessed about music. I've been spending a lot of time at the workshop. Anyway, we did say if he ever gets to learn to play Thunderstruck by AC/DC properly, we might be having a musical interlude on here. So I am sorry about that. But anyway, he's practicing. He's having fun. He's getting better, aren't you?
Yes, I am getting better.
There you go. Cool. So we have got some other stuff coming for the bike. So we've got Dyno on Thursday. I've got another set of dog bones because I want to put it back to standard, because at the minute she does tip in nice and quick. However, once you get past that first bit of lean angle, you start thinking, there's not much front tyre left. So we've got that coming, a few other little bits and pieces, and I've got an S-Rad front end coming. So that's for when we, once I've got it all running stock, and Simon Rolls has sorted out the rear shock for me, so she behaves like she should do, sort of thing. Then we're going to start changing suspension around and seeing what can be done, and changing the weight of the oil and the amounts and all that other junk. And then we'll just, during that time, we'll rebuild the S-Rad forks and then stick them on and see what difference it makes. But ultimately I do want it to have a decent setup, because that's what I need in order to build a frame jig. So there's plenty going on. However, I do quite want to get back on Jigsit, so I'm thinking get the dyno bit done and the costings, so you know how much it all cost, and then I'm going to have a bit of a spell on Jigsit, just because I haven't done anything on her in ages, and you really need to know all this around. So we'll probably do that as the first job and then see where we go from there. But anyway, thank you ever so much for chipping in, everybody. Do appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing. That is really cool. And we'll see you again next time. Laters!